Hey guys, today I thought of doing a video on Valentine's Day since Valentine's Day is coming this Friday. So I thought of doing a video. Let's say for example you got a last minute date and then you panic and you don't know what to do. So I want to recommend to you, you could actually go back home after that, after your work you can rush back home and then you could do this use this renewing gel mask here to give you that supple, very soft, luminous skin. So you can put very thick, you can squeeze like maybe this big and then you put very thickly on the face for about 5 to 10 minutes if you got time. 10 minutes. If you got no time, 5 minutes. Then after that you wash away and then after that you put your foundation, you look very good. So this one has vitamin C inside, lavender inside, and on top of that is anti-aging, so reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So when you put it it's very luminous. So you can see from my skin I've already done it. So and then right now I already actually put my moisturizer. So next I'm going to do a very simple Valentine's Day makeup that you can copy and then you can surprise your dates. I find that guys really like natural looking makeup. They always say that, oh, just put on makeup, things that like now you see it, now you don't kind of thing. So I'm going to do a very simple makeup that you can go for a date, and you can use a very soft lipstick color. Okay, right now I'm tan, so I need to use something much more brighty, but you can use this wood pink. You can see it's very pink, or you can use this always apricot. So I find that guys, if you girls, if you like to wear, if you're going for a maybe fine dining, then perhaps you want to put on red lipstick. If you're going on a casual date dining, then you can put on maybe a light lipstick, because I find that girls are not very for me, I love red lipsticks all the time, so I put red lipstick all the time. But it's really up to you, your personality and all. Some of you may prefer a light color. So today, I'm going to do a very light color lipstick look that you can use and copy for your dates. Okay, so enjoy. So I'm going to do this. First thing first, I am going to do my eyes first, because a lot of us, we will do the foundation first. But because since if you, for example, you're going to just go to the date straight away, perhaps you can use perfume to perfume yourself again, to make yourself smell good before you go on a date. Okay, that's very important. If not, then you can go back home and refresh yourself, go for a shower, then after that you go and refresh yourself with perfume, and then after that you go and meet him. So it's up to you. So if you are, for example, going to meet him directly, I would advise you to get a makeup spray, this one, to refresh your makeup. And then you can put an eye primer here. So today I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to do the eye primer first. Okay, eye primer helps to prime your eye makeup, make it long lasting. On top of that, you can put your current eye makeup on, then you put the eye primer over. Let's say if you are not going home to refresh yourself, you want to do it at the office, you can do it. So this is my favorite eye primer that helps to refresh your eye makeup, and then it will last you the next 16 hours. But then, I always advise all my girlfriends to go on a first date, just 2 hours of your time, because I find that if you do too long, you may be too tired on the day. I find that 2 hours of date is good enough. And then so next I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eye makeup. So today I brought my 4 blusher colors from Mary Kay. Okay, I'm going to use because I'm very tan right now, so I can't use pinkish, but I can use these 2 for blusher. So I'm going to use these 2 as my main eye shadow. So I'm going to use this one first, latte color. And then just draw at the socket area. It's exciting time right now. Okay, I'm going to come out with videos on how to do branding online, especially if you're doing your own business. So I'm going to give you some coaching tips on my YouTube channel. So watch out for that. You can subscribe to my channel, and then you will learn more on how to market yourself online. Because for me, I'm actually a marketing expert in terms of in the past I do fashion and beauty industry marketing. So if you're into fashion and beauty industries and you want to learn how to create that online presence, online and offline, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to give you the link below, okay? So I'm going to do the highlighting here first at the front, and I'm going to do the highlighting at the front here and here, this part. Okay, very simple eye makeup that you can use this for day and night. Okay, then after that, if you want more definition, you can get something darker brown to give a bit of definition here, to give like smoky, sexy look. So I'm gonna use like a darker brown. Okay, let me find a darker brown for this. So I'm using Chocolate Kiss for this darker brown. I just do it at the side corner. You can see that it creates a depth. So, but if you don't want a dramatic eye look, right, you can just keep it just like the latte color, and then after you put the gold in front, like what I did just now, the first two steps. So you can see, because I have hooded eyes, and then especially this part, right, is much more wider. So you know, to have a perfect eyelids, right, it's like you have to be like maybe half of the space here, but since I don't have it, right, so I might as well use it eyeshadow to create that illusion. Alrighty then. Then after that, right, I'm going to put, I love to put a bit smoky for my party, for my date night, so that I look very smoldering and sexy. So make sure that it's closer to your eyelids when you draw your eyeliner. I'm an eyeliner person, I cannot live without eyeliner, okay? And then after that, you can smoke it. So if you're interested to learn how to do a date makeup, you can PM me for appointments. I can do it for you. And I did a makeover for Jessica yesterday. It was quite fun. I was like choosing all the wardrobe for her, and her shoes and her makeup. So Jessica is, she has eczema on her eyes, so that's why I use Infinity eye cream on her, so it's much more better. And she tears easily, so that's why, you know, it's very important that I take note of my customers' weak points, so that I would turn it into a better, you know, so that I can make her eye makeup much more long lasting. So you can see it's very simple eye makeup like this. Okay, then after that I'm going to put my foundation. So as usual, I'm going to put my primer, foundation primer. So for dates, right, I like to put a lot of highlighter, because I like my when you put highlight, if your skin is tired, right, when you put highlighter, right, you actually look much more wide awake. So that's why I like to use highlighter to make my skin much more wide awake. And then because since I'm tan right now, so I'm gonna mix beige 180 with my ivory sea 110, sorry. So, and then because I like to create those glowy skin, kind of like so I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna do this honey glow. This is fantastic. It gives you that second skin kind of luminous effect, and then, you know, so that your skin doesn't look cakey, and it gives you that long lasting makeup, you know, at the end of the day. So if your skin is hydrated, right, this one is, it will keep your skin hydrated for 10 hours. So when your skin is hydrated, right, and then when you put your face makeup on, it lasts the whole day and it doesn't really like streak. So that's why I like to use my honey glow, and then my makeup lasts the whole day. So I am a hand person, so I blend my foundation using hand instead of brush. So can you see, it actually gives you that luminous effect look, which I like. It's very Korean, watery glow. The Koreans love the watery glow look because it gives them that anti-aging look. They look younger and youthful, you know. So don't use very dry, dehydrated foundations. It gives your skin lifeless look. There's no radiancy, there's no luminosity. You know, when guys look at us, right, they look at radiant skin, it looks healthy. If you have luminous skin, it means that you are youthful, you know. So this is the kind of effect that you wanted when you go on dates, right? And then after that, one thing I like about a primer, because it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and then so that your wrinkles are not so obvious, and then it also makes your makeup much more long lasting, and then your pores are not so visible after that. So one thing I like about Mary Kay's product, right, is also affordable. So, you know, just like that. And then after that, right, I'm going to put powder. So today I'm going to introduce to you our HD powder. This is my favorite, and it's very rich in hyaluronic acid, so that's why your makeup lasts longer. And how you do it, right, you don't apply and then just sweep down. You apply patting motion. Okay, so the makeup lasts longer. Just like that. And then I, for one, love to use a luminous powder. Okay, so this is our latest pinkish glow. So it gives you that sweet pinkish kind of effect. So, you know, you just have to brush it. You can use that so it gives you that pinkish glow. Can you see this glow? It's from this one. I really love this one. So it gives you that pinkish glow, and you can use it as a blusher if you want to. So it's very natural glow, so you can bring this out when you go on dates. If let's say you're going to do touch up at your workplace. And then let me wipe off my foundation. It's a bit and then please carry baby wipes everywhere because it helps to wipe off those excess foundation. Usually I will put a bit more foundation to touch up a bit, but if your skin is not hydrated, right, don't top it over. Okay, you can just use a makeup spray. You spray on it. After that, use a tissue paper and just dab it dry and let the foundation become refreshed by itself. So this is how you make your makeup much more long lasting. Then after that, I'm going to use my brow pencil. So it's very important, right? If you can't draw your brows, right, please go for embroidery. If you want any recommendation, I can recommend to you my girlfriend Nico. She's very good in embroidery, and then it's very natural looking, and my sister loves it also. So I recommended her to go there, and everyone was like commenting on her brows and they love it. So a few of my clients also actually go there. So if you can't draw your brows right, just go for embroidery. So I went for embroidery because my father was in and out of hospital back then, and I couldn't have time to draw, and so that's why I went to do my embroidery. But it's so effective that I don't have to spend so much time on doing makeup. So, and then Nico also does perming of the lashes, so I actually perm my lashes as well. So you see, with this simple makeup, right, you can just do your mascara. Okay, because I perm my lashes already, so I just put my mascara. So I love this mascara. It's very thick, and ta-da! So actually, right, what I like about Mary Kay's lash serum, it actually helps to make your lashes much more longer. So if you're interested to try the lash serum, let me know. It's very long, and then it's, see, my lashes so long, right? I really love the Mary Kay lash serum. It helps to make your lashes so long, and when you blink at people, it's very expressive. Okay, all right. Next, right, I'm gonna use promise you that I'm gonna use a very light color of lipstick, so I'm going to use always apricot. I really love this color. And please make sure that you actually moisturize your lips first. So I always use my lip balm. So I always make sure that I use my lip scrub first, then I use my lip balm. So if you don't drink enough water, your lips tend to be very cracky, so please drink enough water, and please use a lip scrub to scrub your lips, right? And then, you know, so that normally on first date I don't kiss because I want to find out more about him. So yeah, so I'm very focused on making them as a friend first. Can you see this color is so beautiful, right? Ta-da! So can you see it makes your lips much more supple and much more. This is my favorite color. It's a semi matte lipstick and it's always apricot. So it gives you that sexy pinkish lips, but actually on me it's much more orange pinkish. I really love this lips. So can you see this color is so good for a daily kind of makeup that you can use. And personally, I like to make when I go on dates, right, I like to make my eyes a bit more smoky so that my contact lens can stand out. So if you're using different lenses, I can come out with different eye color for your lenses so that you know your eye makeup will stand out and then you look much more friendlier. And with this makeup, right, it's very soft, very romantic. It's for all colors, you know, all skin color. So it's not like, oh, I'm very fair, you know, but right now I'm not very fair actually. If you look at me, I'm very tan right now. So it's very good for all skin color. It's very neutral color that I pick for all skin color. If you're very fair, you look very outstanding. If you're very tan, you also love this because it gives you that beach babe kind of color. So okay, just like that, can you see? And then after that, please remember to use the makeup spray. So if you are interested in this, I hope that this video you love it. And then if you're interested to order any Mary Kay products, and if you're not served by any Mary Kay consultants, please look for me, and then I'm most willing to teach you how to create this date look. Alright, so after that you need to use this one. So what I do is I will spray on the eye, then after that I'll do the whole face. Yeah, so I hope that this video is useful for you. Please help me to share and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!